Captain's log, 23:05:26. It's Friday, day 5. We're 32 minutes behind schedule. We're about to leave Vic. We're just waiting on one extra lash of mascara. Bye-bye, Vic. We'll see you again soon.
Roundabout. Take the second exit onto Jobber 1.
I don't know all you auto mechanics out there or whatever, but does that look like those would pass the safety? We're in Iceland. Come on, man. All right, we've left Vic and we are on our way back to the big city of REYKJAVIK. I believe that's how you pronounce it, REYKJAVIK. That's where we're spending our last day before we end up shipping out on Saturday. We also stayed at the campsite right in the small village of Vic. It's basically right across the street from the restaurants, the Black Crust Pizza, and your excursion, the Katla track excursion location, as well as walk on. Nice Thai Chinese food, delicious. I had the Peanut Dream satay chicken dish. It was dynamite. We've just stopped at a gas station in, I can't even pronounce it, hell of a good dip or hell of a something. I don't know. But we've just stopped at the gas station. We're going to have a little rest, grab some drinks, some snacks, and then we've got about an hour and a half to REYKJAVIK. Cheers, see you soon. Another gas station hot dog. It's bacon wrapped this time though. And Amy says it's better because it's got grill marks. Just stopped for a break. The ladies are making a tea. We're about 30 minutes from REYKJAVIK. And as you can see, it's another bright and balmy day in Iceland. They've got Skittles though. They taste a little different though. Have we always had black currant in our Skittles? I don't know. Just tastes a little different to me. We are in REYKJAVIK. The big city. We're right downtown by the water. Matter of fact, we're like right in the parking lot of like what would be their version of the McDonald's maybe? It's called Taktu. Here, I'll show you. And I don't know about the prices. Seems a little steep. 4 burgers, a fry, and a 2-liter bottle of pop, $50. Look. They better be some special burgers. For starters, I'm at that famous church in downtown REYKJAVIK, and yes, I just almost wiped out. But no problem, I recovered all right. Scooter rentals, no problem. Just go to the HOPP bike app on your phone from the App Store. And then you'll be up and running once you enter your register and you enter your credit card information. It takes lickety split like 2-3 minutes or something like that. I think it's like 33 krona a minute or something like that for 40 kilometers or something like that. Anyway, you'll figure it out. Once I get the numbers, I'll punch them on down below so you can see. But I'm at that famous church you can see right here. Look. Nice. Please don't wipe out. 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 Oh, nice car. All right, we checked in for the campground in Reykjavik, and we're going for a bite to eat because we have a VIP rezo at the SKY Lagoon. But first, we're gonna have a little ginger. Korean barbecue, anyone? Delicious. Fresh ingredients, great flavor. Ginger. Be good to yourself. Rubber wristband access, tied as key access to your locker. Press in. Red, locked, 329, that's me. SKY Lagoon, oh boy, you gotta be here. At $100 a person, wow, 2 hours of pure sweetness. Oh, and don't forget, the 7-step ritual. It's a bucket list item. You'll understand once you get here. Come to REYKJAVIK, Iceland. SKY Lagoon. Oh boy, my skin hasn't felt this good in 52 years. Probably like the day I was born. SKY Lagoon. Put it on your bucket list.